How top staffing firms are using skills tests to place more candidates. As the world continues to recover from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, staffing firms are finding themselves faced with a significant challenge. According to Monster.com, more than 82% of companies expect to hire new employees in the coming months as they look to rebuild their workforces after layoffs and hiring freezes during the past year. That is where eSkills employment testing platform comes in. Rather than gradually working your way through thousands of resumes and candidate conversations, skills tests can help you quickly identify candidates who are an ideal match for each position, ensuring a perfect job fit. With eSkill, staffing firms can shave time and cost of the recruiting process, allowing you to place more candidates in the right jobs. Learn how skills tests for staffing agencies work by downloading the executive report on this page. The benefits of employment testing for staffing firms. Whether your staffing firm focuses on sourcing or recruiting, skills tests can be invaluable in the placement process. Here are just some of the benefits you will see once you add employment testing to your ATS system. Placement hiring costs reduced by up to 70%. Time to hire reduced by up to 60%. Chances of a costly hiring mistake are reduced. Identification of candidates you might have otherwise missed. A springboard for professional development after a hire is made. Elimination of subjective bias, improving workforce diversity. As the staffing industry becomes increasingly digitized, you will need the best tools possible to ensure that you are finding candidates with the right job fit. At eSkill, our skills testing platform can provide you with all the tools you need in one simple, powerful, and easy-to-use interface. If you are looking for ways to improve your staffing firm's recruiting performance, consider how eSkill can help you become faster and more efficient, which will allow you to place more candidates successfully. Learn how skills tests for staffing agencies work by downloading the executive report on this page. eSkill.com. Request a demo.